Hello Librans, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this reading we will see what are your person's feelings for you, what is the obstacle if there is any in the progression of this relationship forward, and what is the action which your person is planning to take or thinking of taking. Okay, so Librans, let's see what are your person's feelings for you. Okay, we have the Six of Cups. So your person wants a reconciliation. Anyway, let's see what is the obstacle in this relationship to move forward. What is the obstacle in this relationship for progression forward, for moving forward? So for the obstacle we have the moon. Okay. Let us see what is the action which your person plans to take or they are thinking of taking. What is the action your person is planning to take? The Five of Cups. Okay. So Librans, in your person's feelings we have the Six of Pentacles. So this person wants a reconciliation with you. They think that you are their soulmate. They think they really have feelings for you. They really like you. They really want that equal give and take. They want those fond memories perhaps which you may have spent some time together. You may be having some past together, and that is what they want again. They want a reconciliation with you. So let's see what is the Six of Cups about for this for Libran's person. Let's see what is the Six of Cups about. Clarifiers for the Six of Cups. So for the Six of Cups we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Empress. Okay, so definitely this person wants to have a new beginning with you, Librans. That is what they feel. They feel they do have love for you still, though they are not showing it with the Knight of Pentacles. They have love for you, Librans. Okay, they still have love. It's very slow. Things are just not moving forward. It's sort of stuck, I should say, as good as not moving forward. But yes, love is there in this relationship, in this connection, and this person really wants to take a leap of faith with you. This person really wants to have a new beginning with you. This person wants to grow with you. That is the vibe which I am getting here. This person really wants to surrender uh, themselves for this new beginning. Okay, and this person really wants to grow with you. Okay, so that is what they feel. Okay, that is in their feelings. And let's see what is this obstacle is the moon. So perhaps this person is not certain what is going on in your side, Librans. Okay, so these are your person's feelings, obstacles in this relationship. So what I feel is this uncertainty, clarity is not there, a lot of uncertainty is there. Maybe it can be a love triangle for some of you, but then yes, things are not very clear. This person is trying to listen to their intuition, but still are not able to understand what to do, and that this lack of clarity as to where they stand in the relationship, what you feel perhaps is the situation. But there is something, the obstacle here is that the other person is not clear about what is going on your side, Librans. Okay, what are your feelings perhaps, or how should they proceed? They really don't have any idea as to what is going on in this relationship, and is there anything in this relationship. Okay, and that is why this is an obstacle. Let's see what is this moon card here for. The clarifiers for this moon card for Librans person. So for that we have the High Priestess, the Temperance, and the Ace of Cups. Okay, so the obstacle, since this is coming in the obstacle, as simple as that, with the Moon card and the High Priestess, a lot of intuition is being used here, and since it's an obstacle, that things are not very clear, this person is obviously not making a move. Nobody is making a move, and it is an obstacle. Trying to listen to the intuition with the Temperance and the Ace of Cups. So this moving forward or opening up of the relationship is an obstacle over here because of this lack of clarity. This person is just trying to think as to what's going on, trying to understand, but things are not very clear. They want balance. The balance is not there in the relationship over here. Clarity is not there, and because of that, the emotions are not opened up. Nobody is able to open up. Okay, and since it is coming as an obstacle, in your person's side. So perhaps because of the lack of clarity, I should say, emotions are not being shared, or somebody here is not able to open up. Though they are trying to figure out, but they are not able to do anything exactly. They are trying to balance themselves, but I think uh, because of the lack of clarity, it is a lack of clarity which is uh, holding back this emotional new beginning, I should say. In simple words, the most likely action which this person is planning to take is the Five of Cups. This person is very upset. This person is isolated. Something has happened over here that this person is really upset. They wanted a new beginning. They still want, perhaps that's how they feel. They really don't know how to balance this situation. They really don't have any idea as to what's going on, and that is why they are not able to open up, and that is the obstacle. With the Five of Cups, this person is not making a move. This person is feeling rejected. This person is feeling very upset. Something has happened over here which is making them very, very upset. They won't be taking any action. This person is not taking any action. They are really upset. Excuse me. Why is this Five of Cups therefore? So for the Five of Cups, we have the Seven of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Five of Cups once again. Okay. So for the Seven of Wands, the Page of Wands, and the Five of Cups, so this person has given up the struggle. Okay, this person is very, very upset. Something has really happened which in which they feel that, okay, this is over, nothing can be done. They've lost the grip in their relationship, and they have really lost the feeling that they really even need to struggle. So this person is leaving things behind. They're just choosing peace. Things are not very clear. Perhaps it's been a long time like this, and this person is very, very upset because of things not moving forward, or perhaps somebody here is not making things clear. Okay, they really don't have any idea, and that is why they're giving up this struggle, and it's really becoming a struggle for them. How long can they go on? And that is why they are planning to, with the Five of Cups, they are just planning to leave it. That's what I feel. This person is very upset. They are okay with leaving the grip on this situation. They are leaving this struggle behind. Okay, they are not ready to fight for it, this connection anymore, because the more they do that, the more chance they take. Perhaps it even backfires on them, something like that. So they are not at least taking a move, making a move. They won't be taking any action. Even if they want a reconciliation, even if they want a brand new beginning, they are ready for it, but they will not take any action. Perhaps you need to take that, Librans. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.